Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? Checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Out here at Squirrel Park. I'm out here with a plane. My absolute favorite brushed plane, Micro. And this thing is awesome. My absolute favorite is just like the SG F22, but the BM22. The BM F22 is a little larger, and it has the props in the rear instead of the front sticking out. And I guess you can say that this is going to be sort of an experiment, because this is a 1S flyer. However, I have this super large 2000 milliamp hour 1S. I know you guys are probably wondering, where the heck did I get such a large 1S? Well, I had a quad, a drone that came with this, and it had a super long flight time. Can't remember the name of it. I'll have the name of it right here if I remember. This thing just barely fits inside the battery bay, so let's get this little plane up in the air. Well, let's see if we can get this little plane up in the air with this 2000 milliamp hour pack. Let's get it. Thinking maybe I should go out there away from the trees, but I'm just going to fly it right here. I think this is enough space right here. Check it out. It barely fits in here. Plug it up. Smash the little power lead in there. Oh, and I'm going to be flying it with the BOXER as well. I think I have everything set up correctly. Let's see. Okay, hopefully this guy can stay in the air. Even high alphas. Absolutely love this plane. Oh, I think I might have lost a prop, because normally it would have been able to pull out of that. I think when I landed on that tree branch right there, it knocked one of the props off. I hope it didn't, but I'm thinking that's what happened. Yep. Lost one of the props, y'all. So I think that's going to do it for us. It'll be like finding a needle in a haystack out here looking for a black prop. But we did find the answer to our question. It does fly with this huge battery. And I'm imagining that this will have a super long flight time with this huge 2000 milliamp hour pack in here. You're able to slow it down and do high alpha flying. Guess what, y'all? I found the prop. So hopefully I can still get a little more flight out of it with my transmitter battery being low and all. Bruh. I just lost it again. Sheesh. Oh, there it is right there. Let's see. See if I can get this thing back in the air. All the weird stuff going on with it. Come on, get on in. You get on there too. Okay, there we go. Got both of the props on there now. Let's see.
Welcome to HTX. Transmitter battery low.
Oh, I think I turned it off.
Transmitter battery low.
We're gonna have to keep hearing that. Let's try one more time.
Welcome to HTX. Transmitter battery low.
Kinda desperate to fly it, y'all.
Transmitter battery low. Transmitter battery low.
That's what I was trying to do. Do a roll.
Transmitter battery low.
Put it in manual mode so I can do a quick roll. I think I lost the prop
Transmitter
again.
battery low.
Let me do one more flight and then I'm gonna take my butt to work.
Transmitter battery low.
She's gonna keep hollering at me about the transmitter battery.
Transmitter battery.
Got it in manual mode, trying to do a roll.
Transmitter battery low. Transmitter battery low.
Here we go. Loop. Roll. One of the few planes that I can fly in manual mode pretty good.
Transmitter battery low. Transmitter battery
Okay, let's go back in angle mode. Try to bring it back here.
Transmitter battery
Back in manual mode.
Transmitter battery
Oh!
Transmitter battery
Oh! It's a heavy battery in here, so let's see, I got a leak in there.
Transmitter battery low. Transmitter battery low.
Ah! I'm gonna call it quits, y'all. The battery is too low. The transmitter battery is low. Transmitter hollering at me. And I keep losing this darn prop, y'all. My absolute favorite micro brush plane,
Battery low.
the BM F22. Thanks for watching.